Hi, and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix the Dota error 127. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is you can verify the file integrity. So the first step to resolving any issue related to missing or corrupted files is to verify the integrity of the Dota 2's game files. So verifying the integrity of game files often helps fix issues related to missing or damaged file, ensuring that the game runs smoothly. So you can follow these steps right here to verify your game file integrity. So open the Steam client on your computer and click onto the library. So right click onto the Dota 2 and go to the properties. So in the properties window, click onto the local files tab and click onto the verify integrity of the game files button. So Steam will start the verification process and compare your Dota 2 game files with the ones on the Steam servers. And once the verification is complete, Steam will display a message indicating the results. So if any files are found to be missing or corrupted, Steam will automatically download and replace them. And then next, what you can do is you can update graphic drivers. So updating your graphic drivers is an essential step in resolving the Dota 2 error code 127. So here are the steps you can update for your graphic drivers on the Windows 10 and your Windows 11. So press the Windows key plus the X on your keyboard to open the quick access menu. And from the menu, select the device manager. And in the device manager window, expand the display adapters category. Just right click onto the graphic drivers card and select the update driver. So choose the option search automatically for updated driver software, and the Windows will search online for the latest driver updates and install them if available. So you can restart your computer to apply any changes. And then next, what you can do is you can temporarily disable firewall and antivirus. So disabling your firewall antivirus temporarily can help determine if they are causing conflicts with the Dota 2 and triggering the error 127. Here are the general steps to disable them on the Windows 10 and 11. So just press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard to open the settings app and click onto the update and security. And from the left-hand menu, select the Windows Security, and in the Windows Security window, click on the Firewall and Network Protection. And under the Firewall and Network Protection settings, you will see the currently active network profile, or the private network, public network, and the domain network. So click onto the network profile for which you want to disable the firewall and toggle the switch to off to disable the firewall for the network profile. And then repeat the process for all the network profiles if it is necessary. And then you can disable third-party antivirus. So locate the antivirus software icon on your system tray. So it is usually found in the bottom right corner of the screen. And just right-click onto the antivirus icon to open the context menu. And look for an option like disable, pause protection, or turn off. And then just select the appropriate option to disable the antivirus protection temporarily. So confirm your selection and then the antivirus software will be temporarily disabled. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.